Hi, my name is Jamo from a company called Xcase. Find us on the web at www.xcase.co.uk. We import rack mount chassis, and we build up systems in these chassis as well as from Asus, Supermicro, etc., etc. Today I just want to take a quick look at an Asus E900G4, a pedestal bare bones server system that they do, based on the Intel C621 for a couple of scalable Xeons, taking up to 1.5 terabyte memory in 12 DIMM sockets. It takes 4 double width GPUs, and it's all pretty much ready to go, other than adding your components like memory, processor, and the GPUs and drives. So let's go over the basics. From the front here, we've got 4 USB, there's a mic, headphone socket, card reader, and nice to see an optical device. Internally, you've got these 8 SATA caddies for 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch drives connected to a backplane. Pop your drive in, push it back to the backplane, and it will connect to the motherboard. You don't have to mess around with power or SATA leads. You're then obviously going to have to deal with Intel's RAID on the motherboard if you want any kind of RAID setup, if you're using 4 GPUs. If you're not, then you could use a RAID card. So cooling wise, we've got 2 120mm fans at the front, a further 120mm fan at the rear, a 140mm fan expelling air outwards through the hole in the side panel. And this takes the heat from the GPUs. Here's your couple of Xeon passive coolers. We was a little bit wary of these being passive and no airflow over them. However, the 2 120mm fans at the top exhaust the heat from this vent, and we've tested it full on. Works absolutely brilliantly. So there you go. Now, here fitted with 4x 2080 Ti graphics cards. So you can take both domestic graphics cards and commercial ones. The leads are all connected, ready for 2x8 pin per card, all from this daughter board connected to the power supply. Power supply is a redundant unit, obviously high wattage to enable the needs for the graphics cards, and it's a 1+1, so if one fails, the whole thing will carry on. Fitted, as I said, with Asus's workstation motherboard. I guess you can find the model number on the website if you check on there. On the back here, you've got this strong handle, which is handy when lifting the thing about, which is quite heavy. And there's your redundant power supply at the back. Your 4 cards fitted. You've got plenty of SATA ports on the rear, audio, a couple of LAN ports, remote access on one of them. And, you know, all in all, it goes together really nicely. It's not overly noisy. It's more noisy than a standard PC, but obviously, you know, you've got to cool these graphics cards. There's quite a lot of fans in there, and they're not these like low noise jobbies you'd have on a standard PC. But it doesn't do you nut. So I think that's it. Let's conclude it there. The Asus E900G4, nice and easy to work with, good, capable, out-of-the-box solution. Thanks very much for listening. Bye for now.